Welcome to our Disney adventure. Today we're taking you through the 2024 Food and Wine Festival at Epcot and sharing some highlights from our stay at Port Orleans Riverside. Let's dive into all the delicious food, magical moments, and the incredible journey we had. Our day started with a serene and educational ride on Living with the Land. This is one of Epcot's hidden gems, showcasing Disney's commitment to sustainability and innovation in farming. Did you know Living with the Land at Epcot actually grows some of the food served at Disney World? Inside the greenhouses you can see row crops like lettuce, tomatoes, pumpkins, and even Mickey-shaped cucumbers. Many of these are used in restaurants throughout the park, making it a unique ride that's both educational and contributes directly to the meals guests enjoy at Disney World.
Traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production.
After the ride, our first stop was Bramblewood Bites. We just had to try the grilled bison with butternut squash puree, roasted mushrooms, and huckleberry gastrique. Chef kiss, baby, chef kiss. After grabbing ourselves some Welsh dragons, we made our way to the Canada stand to try two fan favorites.
Yeah, I did. It's all down there.
Canadian cheddar cheese soup and Le Cellier wild mushroom beef filet mignon. I don't know why I said that kind of French. Anyways, the Canadian cheddar cheese had bacon, onion, celery, chicken stock, cream in there if you wanted a beer as well. Optional. You could also have it. The ingredients for the wild mushroom beef filet mignon are absolutely mignon. Wild mushrooms. You also had truffle butter on it and some red wine reduction. It was phenomenal.
Oh, hi.
Hotel, pool, or what? Pool time or what?
After spending our day at the festival, no pun intended, we decided to head back, and funny enough, the only bus waiting for us was the Port Orleans French Quarter bus. So we hopped on, and when in France, right? You get beignets. I guess New Orleans, well, you get it, right? One bus trip later.
Beignets?
After making it to the Port Orleans French Quarter, we grabbed some ghoulish beignets, and they did not disappoint. Perfectly fluffy and covered in just the right amount of powdered sugar. I am just dreaming about them right now. I wish I could go back and grab me some or make some right now. But they're amazing. They're Halloween specials that you do not want to miss out.
Ghoulish
After that sweet treat, it was time to head back to our room at Magnolia Bend.
You mentioned Riverside.
But we may have gotten a little turned around. Luckily, John, an amazing cast member, pointed us in the right direction. It's a huge resort and we were definitely walking in the wrong way. So shout out to my boy John.
You see those lily pads? You don't get those in Texas, huh? Alright, right here at 9713. Alright. Thank you. What? Who? Oh, to that door?
Open. Oh my god. For me. I didn't know this.
You liking these?
Whoa, look!
What do you think? Oh, the magic carpet! Where's the AC first?
Oh, look at you.
Oh, wow.
I don't that pretty.
It's the AC.
Look it, come this way.
Look,
Can you
G.
take your shoes off?
Look, G.
His portrait is that's your friend.
While I show you the room, I realized something terrible. I thought I had lost the SD card with all the footage from this magical trip. Panic mode activated. But thanks to the incredible luggage service team, that case was safe and sound with my luggage. They saved the day and all our memories. So for a huge shout out to them too.
Welcome all. We are so excited to have you stay with us. My friends and I have shared as many wonderful moments here that this has become a very special place in our hearts. As you make yourself at home, you'll discover some treasured moments my friends have given me over the years. Enjoying making magical memories with your friends and family in my royal sweet room. Your friend, Princess Tiana.
Wow, this is Tiana's room, right? What? I did not notice all the pictures of the princesses. Wow. Let me go in the restroom. Nothing crazy, honestly. Just a whole bunch of like really cool towels and stuff like that. You're gonna have this block, cause I guess they don't have any more. I don't know. We don't know. Really don't know or care. You got this like little edging. It's nice. The toilet is nice.
And it's Gus, right? And that all the detail on the trimming, chip.
I love the trimming as well. You got chip.
Glass silver.
It's amazing. It's just the restroom. If you didn't notice the restroom, it's the same thing. Amazing. So, we just did get our luggage. We called for it, and they said they'd be here in 5 to 10 minutes. Hopefully, they have that one thing I'm missing. If they don't, ooh. Hey, boss.
Hi there.
How you doing?
We're doing all right. You wake up.
Thanks, bro. Thank you, sir. Oh my goodness, I thought I'd lost that thing, and you guys just saved my life. That's all I got. I mean, thank you so much.
Thank you.
man.
Have a great
Appreciate
day.
you. Really do. Yes. Goodness, they did it. They saved my life.
We ended the day by using our last Disney dining plan points at Boatwright's dining hall. 1 point per adult and child. Who could ask for more?
They put andouille sausage in here too. They put andouille sausage.
Our night wasn't over yet. We had booked the horse carriage ride months in advance, and it was finally time. Samson, our horse, and Houston, our driver, were such a joy to meet. The perfect way to end a magical Disney day. From delicious festival bites to magical moments at Port Orleans, this Disney trip was unforgettable. Until next time, Disney.